impacted include Durham, Chapel Hill, Carrboro, Crosswinds Boating Center, Crosswinds Campground, Parkwood, Sutphin, Jordan Lake State Rec Area, and Bynum. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance,